Do you want to create that awesome effect where text appears behind a character in your video? It's easy to do on Capcut, and using your PC, I'll guide you through it step by step. Before we jump in, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's get started. First, open Capcut and load your project. Make sure the video clip you want to use is added to the timeline. Select the clip and ensure it's positioned correctly in your project. Next, click on the Text tab at the bottom of the screen and select Add Text. Type your text into the box that appears and use the right-hand settings panel to customize the font, size, color, and style. Once the text looks the way you want, drag it into the preview window to position it where you'd like it to appear in your video. Now you'll need to duplicate your video clip to separate the character from the background. Right-click on the video clip in the timeline and select Copy and then Paste. Drag the duplicated clip to a new layer above the text layer in the timeline. At this point, your timeline should have 3 layers: the original video at the bottom, the text in the middle, and a duplicate video at the top. With the top video layer selected, go to the right-hand side of the screen, find the Remove Background tool. If your background is a solid color, select the chroma key option. Use the color picker to click on the background color in your video. Adjust the strength and shadow sliders to fine-tune the cutouts until only the character remains visible. If your background, however, is more complex, use the Auto Removal feature, which automatically detects and isolates the character. This works best if the subject is distinct from the background. Once the character is isolated, play the video to check if the text correctly appears behind the character. If you notice any issues, adjust the position of the text layer or tweak the cutout settings to clean up the effect. You can also adjust the timing of the text layer in the timeline to sync it perfectly with your video. When you're happy with the result, export the video by clicking the Export button in the top right corner of the screen. Choose your desired resolution and file format, then save your project. And that's it. You've successfully created a stunning text-based character effect in Capcut. I hope this tutorial helps.